Hello guys, welcome back once again. So here is Fasset, is another Islamic wallet, cryptocurrency wallet where you can buy and sell and earn some free tokens using this wallet. So there are a lot of features that have been added currently in this wallet. You can transact using just your username. You can also buy cryptocurrency directly from either through cash. You can also buy stocks, and also there is a USDT card that you can use. You can use to activate to make some cross-border payments. So I'll be explaining how to register this app from this video, and then in the next guide I'll just be showing you a live way on how I buy cryptocurrency directly from this app. So kindly ensure that you stay subscribed to the channel, and if you have any question you can leave them at the comments section or the Telegram group. So quickly, let me just show you how to register and then how to complete your KYC directly from this app. So let's get started. So I'll be dropping the link to the app where you can download the app at the video description. Just go ahead and use the link, download the app, and also you can go through Play Store still using through the link. You can also access the app from Play Store or Apple Store. All right, and as soon as you click on the link, it's going to take you right here in this section. Just go ahead and click on sign up. All right, you click on sign up to sign up. Okay, and after clicking on that sign up, you fill in the required process. You fill in your name, your first name. That is another column is going to display where you can fill in your name, your first name, your email, and then you now fill in your your number, your phone number. Kindly ensure that you are using your phone number to register this app, because the code is going to be sent to your WhatsApp that you use in registering. All right, as soon as you've inserted your phone number, go ahead and select your country, and then you click on send via WhatsApp. This send via WhatsApp means that you want the app to send the code to you directly on WhatsApp. So you click on send via WhatsApp and the code will be sent to your WhatsApp automatically. Just minimize and head over to your WhatsApp and copy the code. Then come back right here and paste that code right at this section. Paste that 6-digit code right at this section, okay? And afterwards um it's gonna load, and then after a few seconds is going to take you to this section. This agreement confirmation is going to pop out. So what you have to do now is to highlight this, toggle this on. Okay, just highlight all of this and then you click on continue. The button is going to be activated for you to click on continue. Go ahead and click on continue, and then you afterwards you insert your full pin. This pin here is just the one that you are going to be using to get access to the app. Whenever you want to log into the app from your phone, you have to insert this pin. They are about 16 in numbers here. I think they are about 16 numbers. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6. So go ahead and select the pin, select the password of your choice that no one will have. All right, and afterwards it's going to be required for you to insert your referral code. Now there is always a referral bonus of $5 that the company normally issue to their first time users. So you can always try to use the referral code of the person that referred you to access, so that you can have that referral bonus. So I'll be dropping my referral code at the video description. Go ahead and use it and insert it right here. It's very important that you insert the referral code for those of you that want to have the $5 referral bonus that is always given. But as at last month, the $5 referral bonus was active, but currently I don't know if it is still active, but you can just go ahead and try it out. Okay, and after inserting it, and then you can now click on skip, and then it's going to officially take you to the app. All right, and the message is going to pop out telling you congratulations that you've registered in the app. All right, then you will now have full access in the app. Okay, and this page is going to pop out where they will say welcome to Fasset. You see this page, this pop out message loaded out telling you welcome to Fasset. So just go ahead and click on let's deposit funds, and then it's going to take you down to this page. So here is your page right here. You can see congratulations, this is the app interface. For successfully following the process that are outlined, you register fully into the app. So what you have to do now to have full access to all the features right here, and also to unlock higher limits of purchase or withdrawals directly from this app, you will need to complete your verification process or your KYC. Now, for you to complete your KYC, just click on this place where you say you have finished your first step. To unlock higher limit, card orders, and withdrawals, complete the full verification. So you just go ahead and click on this verification, all right here, and then you click on start now, or just go ahead and click on this start, all right. So after clicking on that start, what you need to provide is your identity card. So just go ahead and click on it and click on continue, and as soon as you click on continue, they are going to tell you to capture your card. So what you have to do now is to capture your card. This is the way they want you to properly capture it. You have to position it, use the original document first of all, and capture it inside. Make sure that the site show, all the four side of the card show, is very important. Okay, like for instance, you can see how this person positioned it. You can see all the four side that are showing in this card. But now, after you've snapped it, they want you to crop it. That is why you can see see it right here. You have to crop it and snap it. After cropping it, you have to remove all the side. Let your hand don't show while holding the card. It should perfectly be showing like this. All right, it should perfectly be showing like this. If possible, you can snap the card and then you crop it from your phone. Like use your app and edit it and crop it, and it shouldn't show the side. Don't show mistakenly snap one side of the card, because if you do, it's not going to be verified. Just like you are seeing this X right here, these are the bad ways you can hold the side that can limit you from verifying. All right, so you have to keep the card very proper and edit it so that all the four sides will show properly. All right, that is what you need to know. Okay, so after you've edited the app, you can now go ahead and click on proceed, and then you continue from this particular place. When you click on this proceed, your camera is going to be enabled for you to snap the card, and afterwards, the next thing you're going to do is to take a selfie. After taking a selfie, then after less than few minutes, you are going to be verified. So what you have to do now, if you click on continue, you have to grant the permission to your phone, the camera. That is, you have to grant the camera of your phone permission. All right, and then it's gonna open, and then you go ahead and snap your national ID card, and afterwards you are going to start up the process. Okay, you are going to, your KYC is gonna be verified. Then once your KYC is verified, um hopefully you should be having your reward bonus for completing the KYC step. Okay, you should be having your reward bonus for completing the KYC step. But just try it out and see if the bonus is still available, guys. Okay, so guys, that is how to complete your KYC. In the next video I'll be dropping, just right below the video description, I'll be showing you how I perform a live transaction using this app, and how you can swap, how you can borrow money. You can borrow money in USDT directly from this Islamic crypto wallet, and there's a whole lot to do in this app, but this is just a basic guide on how to complete your registration process, and um, how you can as well do your KYC. Okay, if this video was very helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.